Adding an Outlook calendar to your Outlook account. The first thing to know is that by adding an Outlook calendar to your account, you're only adding it to that specific computer that you're on. So if you're using multiple computers, you're going to have to do this multiple times for each computer. So let's take a look. On the left-hand side, you have buttons that allow you to access your mail, your calendar, and so on. Click on the Calendar tab. Below that, you might have another one called Folder Lists. If you don't see it, look down farther to one of the icons called Folder List. Click Folder List and the folder list will appear. Scroll towards the bottom and hit the plus button to the left of Public Folders to expand that. Hit the plus button next to All Public Folders to expand that. Scroll down until you find Schools. Hit the plus to expand Schools. Scroll down farther until you find Groveton Elementary and hit the plus to expand that. Here we'll see a list of all of the calendars available. Start by clicking on the one that you want, and you'll see it appear off to the side. To add it to your favorites, right-click on it and choose Add to Favorites, and then Add. You can continue doing that by selecting Additional Calendar, Computer Lab Room 1, right-click, Add to Favorites, and hit Add. By going now back to Calendars, you'll see that under Other Calendars, those two have appeared. You can continue adding additional calendars using the same steps. Clicking on Folder List, scroll down towards the bottom, expanding Public Folders, All Public Folders, Schools, Groveton Elementary, find the calendar that you need, right-click on it, and choose Add to Favorites, and then Add. And now each time you click on your calendar button, you'll have access to these calendars by just clicking on the box next to them. Those calendars will appear side by side. To only have one showing at a time, just uncheck an additional calendar until there's only one checked. By default, the calendar might show as a full month. At the top, you can select week, work week, or day to see a more detailed view of each calendar. So go ahead now, click on your calendar tabs, and add all of the appropriate calendars that you need to have access to here at Groveton Elementary.